Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to the part 2 of Anayaka haul, which is the Anayaka skincare haul. Have got a few skincare products as the makeup. So yeah, let's start. The first product I got this is the Innisfree green tea skin mist. So I love skin mist, especially for summers. अभी तो winters है, but summers में this comes very handy. You can use it after your makeup as well, like over your makeup, below your makeup, anytime, anywhere. Can use it any. If you feel dry or hot, you can spray on some mist. You can use it after you do makeup as well. It won't spoil your makeup, as you can see. It won't spoil it. So a mist is a must if you have oily skin in summers. So, and this Innisfree one is really nice. It's very refreshing, very much refreshing. So the next product is the Dot & Key serum. I am a fan of Dot & Key. I've tried Dot & Key before. I've tried a sleeping mask and a serum. And this is the other serum I've purchased. This is the Dot & Key Ultimate Spot Corrector. 10% niacinamide skin clearing serum. I can't pronunciate the name, so the packaging is beautiful as usual. This is the serum. I've already started using this one. It's been, I think, over 2 months since I used this, and it helps on my scars. So it works. If you have acne scars, and I'm dealing with pimples and scars for the longest time, if you noticed me, so yeah, that's that. The next product is again from Dot & Key. This is the Dot & Key Pollution Plus Acne Defense Green Clay Mask with matcha tea and tamanu, I don't know, oil. So it's look like this. The packaging is really cute. This is how it looks. Oh, where is the? This is how it looks. So beautiful packaging. The smell is beautiful. The smell is like. The smell is very refreshing. This is the clay mask. The consistency is thick and it helps in acne. I've used this and it actually worked on my acne. I'm dealing with severe acne issues, but this one really works. I've included this in my skincare routine as well. So I really like Dot & Key because it suits my skin. Okay, so the next product is from Kaya. This is the Kaya Replenishing Night Creme. My mother loves Kaya as a brand. She uses a lot of Kaya products, Kaya skincare products. So I got this for her. So this is a Youth Brilliance Younger Looking Skin in 4 weeks. So this is a kind of an anti-aging night cream. So, and the packaging is beautiful. Let me show you. This is the packaging, the inner packaging. So quite nice. The next product is a lip balm. This is from Sugar. This is Sugar lip balm. अच्छा, मैंने शेड ऑर्डर किया था मोजिटो एंड इन्होंने एक मोजिटो ही दे दिया मुझको. एक प्रॉपर मोजिटो मुझे दे दिया है. वाओ, can hold this and this is like a straw. Wow. So this is a lip balm. Lip balm इतना सा, इसकी पैकेजिंग इतनी बड़ी सी. So looking forward to try this one. Although Sugar I love as a brand, but कभी Sugar का skincare try नहीं किया है, so I'm excited to try this one out. And the next product is again a lip balm. This is from the Nykaa Serial Kisser lip balm, and I have used Nykaa lip balm before, so I know how it works, how it forms skin. So that's that. And the second last product is this is the normal cotton pad from Bella, Chota Sa. Actually this is for my bag to carry outside. So that's that. And the last product is the Super C amla extract and zinc, natural vitamin C for skin protection. As you know, I'm suffering with severe acne issues, so this is a skin clearing tablet. You just open it, take out a tablet, and drop the tablet in a glass of water and just drink it after it get dissolved. So the taste is not very good. I have tried and taste is not very good, but it works and skin clearing. I see slight result after using this. So pain is beauty. It tastes very bad, but it actually very good for your skin. I mean, what's better than inhale or take vitamin C rather than applying anything? So it's better to take, to eat, to drink something good. So that's that. And yep, that's the end of the Nykaa skincare haul. I hope you like and enjoy this Nykaa haul. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Also, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Bye.